Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The latest down this special report with CBS News.
CBS News special report. An Army sergeant opened fire at an Army installation in Georgia, shooting 5 of his comrades. Those 5, the Army says, are all in stable condition, recovering. The gunman, identified as Cornelius Radford from Florence, is assigned to the 2nd Brigade Command.
What? What? Cop, hello?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Let's go!
Yes!
Thank you!
Karma cop!
Oh, dear God, dear God. Whoa, hey, come on, no.
It's out there. Whoa.
What the actual? Wow.
Closer than other ships, right? That is true. Skipping rope. Still not happy with yourself. If we're doing that, assuming that you don't want to screw around with a lot of maneuvering to line us up, then within the hour there is only one point opening that meets all the criteria. I squinted at the glowing dot on the display.
Oh my God. Buti may camera oh.
Girl, what the...
Where is he going? What the hell? What? What? Ma'am! What the hell? Ah! No! God, no! God, real!
lane, turn left on South Market Street and then merge right 1 lane.
How they orient themselves in life and vice versa. Because that's when you like, they do this match now, or they match lifestyle-wise. For instance, they pickleball every Saturday morning. I'm not saying that the other person has to also do pickleball, but I would like to hear that their match is someone who likes to do things on the weekends instead of just catch up on a podcast while they're cleaning. They start the process of coordinating
Other people are
That's
stopping.
something Epictetus began taking on back in 2011.
Ooh, Jesus! Oh, damn.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.